The percentage of seats in the House of Representatives owned by Democrats and the percentage of the votes cast for Democrats are represented here by S, which is the percentage S of the seats in the House of Representatives owned by Democrats, and B stands for the votes cast for the Democrats, and both of them are expressed actually by using the decimal fraction. We have a relationship between that percentage of the seats owned by the Democrat and the percentage of the vote cast for Democrats by for Democrat by 5V minus 2S equal to 1.4. Our goal is to express V as a function of S. Right, so that is our first question to solve it. So how can we do that? We have 5V minus 2S is equal to 1.4. So let's solve for V in terms of S. To do that, let's add 2S on the both sides, so we get 1.4 plus 2S, and V is equal to divide by 5 on the both sides, then we get 1 over 5 times 1.4 plus 2S. Right, so this is a function of V as a function of S. What is the question here? So once we express it, say that find the percentage of the votes required for the Democrats, that means find V to win 51 of these seats. So this is, everything has to be changed into the percentage. So if that is the case, you can see that we have given that we have been asked that find V when S is equal to 51. So change it into the decimal fraction, so that will be 0.51. So if S equal to 0.1, then our goal is to find V. So we have already the relationship between V and S, so we can just plug this information over here. So V equal to 1 over 5, 1.4 plus 2 times 0.51. We can just plug that information over here, and then we get approximately this is equal to 0.484, and that is actually, or you can, if you want to write down into the percentage, then we get 48.4%. Okay, in the similar way we can actually solve the second problem which we have given over here. Our goal is to express S as a function of V. So how can we do that? Well, we have given 5V minus 2S is equal to 1.4. So now we need to express S as a function of V. So if that is the case, we need to solve for S in terms of V. So if that is the case, what we can do here is we can write down negative 2S on this side, subtract 5V. So we have 1.4 minus 5V, and then divide both sides by negative 2. So we get S equal to 1 over negative 2 times 1.4 minus 5B. You can leave it like that or simplify a little bit, but this is one of the expression. Okay, so we have also something to figure out here. It also say that find the percentage of seats won. That means find S if Democrats receives 51 of the votes. That means 51 is in the percentage. So if that is the case, we have been said that if V equal to 0.51, that is the vote converting into the decimal, right? And our goal is to find S. So if that is the case, we already have the relationship we obtain over here, so we can just use that. So 1 over negative 2, 1.4 minus 5 times 0.51, and just use your calculator to see if this is equal to 0.575, or we can say 57.5%.